Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick 5-minute summer makeup look, and this video is sponsored by Clinique. So the first thing I like to start off with is a good moisturizer, and then I'm gonna go in with my foundation. And since it is really hot outside, I literally use like half a pump to cover my whole face. And then to brighten the under eye, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. And you want to make sure when you're blending it out that whatever beauty sponge you're using is damp. And then after I blend out the concealer, I like to go back in with the butt of the sponge that I use to apply my foundation with, just to blend out any harshness. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of setting powder just to add to the brightness and set the concealer. And now we're going to go in with our eyebrows. I like my brows to be on the more natural side, so I don't use concealer on them or anything. I just fill them in with a pencil. And then I'm going to go in with a bronzer slash contour just to add a little bit of definition to my face. And I'm using that same color down the bridge of my nose. And you guys know we need that highlighter, so I'm gonna take the highlighter down my nose, and I'm also gonna apply it to my cheekbones and of course my Cupid's bow. And then with that same bronzer contour color, I'm just going to apply this to my eyelids because my eyelids tend to get pretty oily. And no falsies today, so I'm just going to add some mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And I'm just going to wipe off any lip balm or foundation that got on my lips, and we're going to go in with a brown lip liner. And then for our lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Clinique Black Honey Almost lipstick. This shade is really pretty. It's universally flattering, so it should work for all skin tones. And this is that one size fits all lipstick. It's different on everyone. So yeah, I'm gonna have a link for it down below in the description box, or you can visit your local Sephora so you can try out the Black Honey for yourself. And then to make sure our makeup looks seamless, we're gonna finish it off with a setting spray. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Really cute and simple. Also, thanks again to Clinique for partnering with me on this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.